औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ CSS 2021 सॉल्व पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स। CSS की पूरी हिस्ट्री में इंग्लिश प्रेसी एंड कंपोजिशन में सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स 2021 में आए हैं। उन पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स को मैं सॉल्व करके आपके साथ इस वीडियो में शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं करेक्शंस पंक्चुएशन को सॉल्व करके भी वीडियो बनाऊं तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं। मैं इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर कोशिश करूंगी कि इन पर भी वीडियो बना सकूं। फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ वर्ड है गाइब एंड जाइब। गाइब वर्ब है जिसका मतलब है टू टॉन्ट, jeer और मेक फन ऑफ। सेंटेंस Sarah's friends gibed her for wearing sunglasses at night. Jibe verb means to agree. Sentence Larab's brother didn't jibe with her idea of migration. Epigram and epigraph. Epigram is noun which means a brief, witty statement in prose written work. Sentence During his speech, Sir Syed Kazim Ali quoted an epigram from one of his favorite poets. Epigraph is noun which means a quotation set at the beginning of a text, a poem, an essay, a book, a chapter of a book to suggest its theme. Sentence One of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's quotes was used as an epigraph on the school building named after him. BRAWL and BAWL. BRAWL, brawl, noun which means a noisy quarrel or fight. Brawl is also a verb which means to fight in a rough or noisy or uncontrolled way. Sentences When brawl is used as a noun, then the sentence will be a few students were responsible for inciting a brawl after they accused the government of wrongdoings. And when brawl is used in a sentence as a verb, then it will be used as, for example, Mutahir and Ali spent yesterday night in separate police cells after brawling with hotel security guards. Bawl, B-A-W-L, bawl is a verb which means to cry or shout loudly. And the sentence is, get out of my car, Alia brawled angrily. Fourth one is crib and crypt. CRYB, crib is noun which means a small bed for a baby having high bars around the sides so that the kid cannot fall out. Sentence My mother laid my younger sister back again in the crib. Crypt, CRYPT, crypt is noun which means a cellar, vault or underground chamber where bodies are sometimes buried. Sentence While touring the ancient city Pompeii, the tourists were told about the crypt of the old church which had a musty dunk smell. Barmy and balmy, B-A-R-M-Y, balmy, it's an adjective which means slightly crazy or very silly or foolish. Sentence Larab didn't think that skydiving was a balmy idea, but her younger brother said it was the craziest thing he had ever heard of. Barmy, B-A-L-M-Y, adjective which means pleasantly warm or calm. Sentence The balmy breeze from the ocean created a comfortable environment for my wedding ceremony. Sixth, monogamous and monogenous. Monogamous, adjective which means having married to only one person at a time. Sentence Every modern girl most commonly seeks a monogamous marriage even in societies that allow polygamy. Monogenous, adjective means relating to monogenous, development from a single source, for example a cell, an ancestor or a language. Sentence The inherited disorders of hemoglobin and sickle cell anemia are by far the commonest monogenous diseases. It's all about today's lecture. If you want to watch more videos related to CSS preparation, then do subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.